Hi everyone, welcome to Year 2 Spelling Splash for this week, and this is going to be our spelling test that's going to be coming out on the 11th of December. Not very long to Christmas, very exciting. Right, we're going to do the usual, so we're going to go through some red words and then we're going to do our two set of spellings, set A and set B. Again, it's up to you if you want to choose set A or set B. They are the words that we've been looking at in literacy for the last few weeks though, so hopefully you'll know lots and lots of them. Okay, right, let's have a look at some red words. Right, everyone ready? You're going to read them quick as you can. Okay, let's go. Were, where, could, should, and would. You've seen those ones before, I think. Let's do it even speedier then. Ready? I'm not going to say anything this time. Brilliant. I bet you've done superbly. Now, this time I want just to double check on a few spellings that look a bit like each other. These two. Were and where. I want us to try and spell them. Okay, so let's look at were first. This one is W-E-R-E. Were. Can you try and spell that one for me? Well done, get it written down. Good stuff. Right, let's double check it. W-E-R-E. Lovely, well done. Let's look at the other one that looks a bit like this one. This one is where. W-H-E-R-E. There you go. Can you spell it for me? Right, let's double check. W-H-E-R-E. Lovely. I bet you've got it right. Now then, enough of those red words. Let's get on with our set A and set B. So these ones coming up are the set A's. You're more than welcome to look all the way through the video. If you want to fast forward to set B, you're more than welcome to as well. So these are our set A spellings. The first one is cold. So this one, oh, they're dropping them. This one, we can give a bit of a go for a sounding out. So let's give that one a go. K-O-L-D. Cold. Can you spell it for me now, please? Get it written down on your whiteboard. Whiteboard? I mean notepad. Okay, let's double check. C-O-L-D. K-O-L-D. Cold. This is the next one. Told. T-O-L-D. Hey, that's got similar letters to cold. All it does is need to change the T to a C. So you're going to change it to a T-T-T for told. Off you go. Let's check. T-O-L-D, told. Brilliant. This one again has got the same letters. Ooh. Old. O-L-D. Old. Can you do that one for me? Write it down. And now let's double check. Ready? O-L-D. Old. Super. Well done. Okay. Now these ones don't sound the same. This next one is climb. Can't really sound this one out because this one's a red word. Tricky. So this one we'll just have to do the letter names. C-L-I-M-B. Climb. Give it a go. Have a good look. See if you can do it. But if you can't do it and it's a bit tricky, don't worry. Just what am I trying to say? Just rewind the video and go back to the start and practice. Here we go then. C-L-I-M-B. Climb. These two, they sound the same. Child and wild. Let's look at wild first. We've got W-I-L-D. Wild. W-I-L-D. I wonder if you can do it. Let's check. Ready? I wonder if yours got a tick. I bet it's got a big pink tick. Give it a big pink tick if you've got a pink at home. I bet you've got it right. If you haven't, don't worry. Let's look at child. So it's exactly the same basically, but it's got a ch, ch, ch the start. There he is. Child. Let's double check. Wow, I bet you've got it right. Well done. Now that is the end of all of our set A spellings. That was speedy. So now we're going to do our set B. So well done, set B people, if you've been waiting very patiently. Now, our set B spellings, I have been looking at a spelling rule we had a look at in literacy last week, I think it was now. And it's got doubling of a consonant in it before we add a suffix. The suffixes we've been looking at is and est, and also a y suffix. But I don't know if I've got any of those in here. I'll have to double check. So you need to double that consonant before adding the suffix, making sure it's got a vowel in there too. Okay, so let's see. This is my first set B spelling, and the word is saddest. Have a look. Now you try spell saddest. I always say sad-ist with the I. I need to make sure that when I write it, it's an F. Let's check. Give it a check over. Lovely. Right, let's look at the next one. This one is hottest. Sunday was the hottest day of the week is how I can use it in a sentence. Let's double check it. Don't forget the double T. You're writing hottest. Lovely, let's have a look. I bet you've all done that double T. Well done if you have. Super. This is my next one. And it's got a new suffix. This one is spinner. Spinner, spinner. Can you write it for me? Don't get double N. Spinner. Well done, you're doing a super job. Ready? There it is. Double check if you've got it right. Well done. Okay, let's look at this one. This one is runner. Again, it's got that double N, so it's just that little root word run, and then we've added a double N, and we've done that ER, that suffix. Well done. Pop it down then. Get it written down for me. Runner. We could say that I'm going to choose Toby. Toby was a fast runner. Let's check. Well done, I bet you got it right. Okay, next one. Robber. Oh my goodness me. I hope nobody is a robber. Double B in this one. And again, it's got that suffix, robber. Okay, let's double check. There it is, robber. Okay, the next one is bitter. Again, got that double T, bitter. Lovely. Right, let's double check it. Get it written down. You're trying really hard. I can see you're doing a super job. Well done. There it is. Have you got it right? I bet you have. There you go. Lovely. Oh, we're nearly there now. This one is slimmest. Slimmest. Again, it's got that est suffix, but it sounds like you should say ist. Don't let that catch you out. Very tricky. Double in the middle, double M. Lovely. Slimmest. Have a good look. I've just showed you for a while. Now you're going to write it down for me. Okay, there it is. Have you got it right? I bet you have. Well done. This is our last one. That was speedy. This one is biggest. Again, it's got that est. Double G. Biggest. Can you write biggest for me? And there it is, biggest. Okay, let's have a look now then at all of our spellings. Oh, that's the way we're doing it. This is what I wanted it to look like. Here we are. Here's our spellings for this week, set A and set B. So have a good look through all of them, okay? And double check you remember the spelling rules. Remember those set A ones, they are some of our tricky words, those red words. So you're going to need to look at them really carefully, okay? Set B, and there we have the double of the consonant rule. Okay, lovely. Well, hopefully you've enjoyed that. I've enjoyed doing that, and I really hope I get to see lots of lovely pink ticks in those spelling books when we have our spelling tests next Friday. Okay, thanks very much. Bye.